The ball is in your court. This means it's your turn to make a decision. I have told you my condition to work with you. Now ball is in your court. Whatever conditions I have told you, it is up to you to decide to say yes or no. So the ball is in your court. A little birdie told me. This means someone told me a secret. I know your secret, how you earned that money. A little birdie told me. Or maybe, I know how you cheated in the exam. The little birdie told me. It means that someone has told me a secret. To have a lemon on hands. Having a defective or hard to operate machine, or a machine which breaks down very easily, very frequently. So it is very difficult to work with that machine. For example, my car breaks down anywhere, anytime. I think I have a lemon on my hands. Something is fishy means कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. To have a suspicion that something is wrong. For example, we need to be careful while investing money here. I feel something is fishy here. Or maybe if somebody is selling an expensive thing in a very low price, we say that something must be fishy there. Once in a blue moon means very rare or almost never happens. For example, we should eat fast food once in a blue moon. To do something very rarely, something that happens very rarely, we use the phrase once in a blue moon. An empty vessel sounds much. For example, you know nothing about engineering yet giving advice. An empty vessel sounds much. We have a similar idiom in Hindi as well. Thotha chana, baje ghana. Means the people with least knowledge speak the most. Good mind, good find. जग भला तो सब भला. आप भले तो जग भला. That means good person sees goodness in others. If you are good, you see goodness in everybody else. For example, your father is honest and he thinks all are same. He is an example of good mind, good find. Barking dogs seldom bite. Means the dogs who bark too much, they never bite or they seldom bite. We have a similar Hindi idiom as well. जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. That means people who make big threats seldom do anything. My neighbor keeps threatening me to call the police, but I know he will not. Barking dogs seldom bite. A honey tongue, a heart of gall. We have a similar Hindi idiom as well. बगल में छुरी, मुंह में राम. That means who speak very sweetly, don't trust them. They can be very harmful. They can betray you. For example, don't trust his loving birds. He will deceive you. He has a honey tongue and a heart of gall. A 9 days wonder. We have a similar idiom in Hindi. 4 दिन की चांदनी. That means something that attracts a brief attention and soon forgotten. For example, the new vending machine proved to be a 9-day wonder. It was soon replaced by a new one. 4 दिन की चांदनी, फिर अंधेरी रात. These are the examples of the part 1 exercises, and after that you have some more sentences to practice, some more idioms.